there are thousands of questions of DSA on YouTube or any other coding platform, right? But the good software engineers, or you can say the people who crack good placements in their college, either off campus or on campus, they just practice 300 to 400 good quality questions and cracks their dream job. So what kind of patterns or what kind of questions do they really practice? Is there any kind of set or is there any kind of sheet that you can refer to so that you can too crack your dream job, right? So yeah, there is. So hey guys, this is out here, and in today's video we are going to talk about the most important questions of DSA that you should definitely practice, and those questions will really help you to cover majority of the concepts of DSA. And I am not saying that only those questions will help you to land any kind of job. No, not like that. They will definitely help you to develop your fundamentals very nicely, and with the help of those questions you will definitely have a good command over almost every topic in the DSA. So let's get started. So talking about the resource number 1, that starts with LeetCode. So let's just go on the LeetCode platform. And when you open the home page of LeetCode, okay, there comes this section of LeetCode 75. So if you're someone who just want to practice questions and you don't know from where you should start your practice, so I would highly recommend you to start your practice from these questions only. So these 75 questions are a bunch of all the topics. They cover most of the topics of the DSA. And if you complete these questions, you will have a sort of idea about, okay, I am going to cover these kind of topics in advance in the upcoming problems. Okay, so let's see how they look like. And here is this start button also, means it will recommend you that it will give you some kind of a reminder like that, something like that, and you can switch to, yes, solutions are also available over here, so that's pretty nice. And here they have written topics as well. You can practice them with the help of topics adding window. So you can simply go on LeetCode, just like this, leadcode.com, and on the whole page itself there are these questions of LeetCode 75. It's with the name of LeetCode 75. Okay, so you can click on that and you can start your practice of DSA. So talking about the result number 2, if you have little bit of less time, means you think that I have a time of around that I can cover around 150 to 200 questions only. I don't have that much time to cover around 400 questions. So you can decide your time based on your current scenario, that how much time you want to devote, and based on that I would suggest you this series of Striver. So just simply go on takeyouforward.com, Striver SDE sheet. So this is a super cool and super amazing SDE sheet, and you go on LinkedIn and search of Striver SDE sheet, there would be a lot of posts by people, okay, that I have done this and I have that correct the job. So it's not something like that by doing this shit you will crack all kind of technical interviews, okay, but this will help you to boost your confidence. It will help you to cover almost every topic of DSA in pretty nice way, and with the help of that you will have a deep understanding of every kind of concept of DSA. Let's have a look on this. Okay, so here is a note: don't focus on any specific programming language. You can do it in C and C++, C++ or Java, whatever language you prefer. And it have around 191 questions, and topic wise you can cover, and topic wise, and one of the most important thing that I like the most, and you click on here, you would have the link of coding ninjas, LeetCode, a notes section, as well as most of the questions, around 85% of those have a video solution linked with them, and that is the channel of Striver itself. He has done a lot of hard work on this SD sheet, and you can refer that. That's a pretty nice sheet, and this will definitely help you to cover most of the topics of DSA and crack any decent interviews. Okay, so this is how it look like. And talking about the resource number 3, the fire resource, if you have a slightly more time and you think that, okay, I have a very much time and I want to cover every kind of resource, just suggest me the resources that I can refer to so that I can crack any interview. Okay, so I would suggest you 2 things. So number 1 is this. Again, this is a sheet of Striver, but this is Striver's A to Z sheet. So this sheet is more kind of a extended version of that Striver SDE sheet, but this covers a more number of questions, and you can say if that sheet has 50 questions regarding a topic, then this sheet will have 20 to 25 questions, means you can say a more deeper a bit of it. So yeah, you can refer to this sheet as well. This sheet is also amazing. So you can see over here as well, linked list version have almost every kind of topic he has covered, and there are around 50 to 60 questions of every good topic. And yeah, you can get your doubts solved over here very nicely, and you can learn over here the subjects of computer science, operating systems, computer networks, SD core sheet, the sheet which we were talking about. And the next resource is just go on and type LeetCode Yeah, so that's a pretty amazing resource to solve good questions. And here is the roadmap. Okay, this is the roadmap of DSA. So if you are someone who wants to, who don't have idea about what to learn in DSA, man, so just go on Google, type LeetCode, and you would have this orientation, 2 pointers, text, Latin, English. So pretty amazing, pretty cool roadmap sort of thing. Okay, just click on anywhere, and he would suggest you courses, algorithms, questions, whatever thing you want. Okay, suppose I click on backtrack, and here are the questions. So you can practice topic wise questions over here as well, and here are the video solutions embedded with the questions itself. So that's a pretty cool thing. Very nice website it is, LeetCode, just remember the name. So the resources are LeetCode and LeetCode and the Striver SDE sheet. So these are pretty nice and amazing resources, and if you follow any of these resources sincerely, then they are definitely going to help you a lot. Okay, so just go on and start practicing and target your dream job, and I am sure that you are definitely going to get one. Okay, so that was all from my side for you today, and I hope you like these resources. Just go on, man, and practice a lot of questions, because this is only what matters at the end. Okay, so yeah, if you like this video, then don't forget to drop a like. You can follow me on socials, and I will be getting the next video. Till then, goodbye.